Hello and welcome to the So Vegan Kitchen. We are Ben and Roxy. If you are tuning in for the first time, hello.
Hi.
Welcome
Welcome.
to the So Vegan Kitchen. Dun, dun, dun.
And today we're going to be creating an amazing recipe. It's comforting, it's warm, it's delicious, and it's super easy. It is our one-pot mushroom stroganoff.
Stroganoff. Ooh, you really hit the notes, didn't you?
You just gotta elevate.
Reminds me of being at primary school. Christmas is nearly here. They asked me to be a tenor in the choir, and I turned that down. I was like, psh.
What do you mean? Yeah, a tenor amongst a lot of tenors. Doesn't mean you're like the tenor.
The tenor.
I did a solo when I was 7 years old at my first communion.
How did it go?
It was really good. There's a video.
Traumatic?
No, there's a video. I nailed it. I think I was better at singing then than I am now. I've been waiting home a lot for you to tell me. I got it.
Fun fact about mushroom stroganoffs.
They're from Russia.
Yes.
Traditionally made with beef.
Yes. And you can make them in one pot.
Apologies to Italian people. We are going to be cooking pasta in here. Sorry, not sorry.
Do you know that I've been to Russia?
Rushka.
Have you been to Russia?
I've heard this story very many times. I know you've been to Russia.
I went to Russia when I was 6 or 7 years old, and I was on Russian state TV.
And you cried like a baby, that's what I've heard. Yeah, you did. You were like, Mommy, come get me. Your toes did. Fact. Right, guys, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing a recipe each week, and we would love to have you there watching.
Where is the subscribe button? Is it down here? I reckon it's here.
Right here.
About here. Yeah.
Subscribe, please. And yeah, we're going to make some banging recipes coming up, so make sure you subscribe and give this video a like if you like it.
We're going to try as hard as we can to get a video out every single week.
Should we get cracking?
Yes, let's do it. Let's talk about the ingredients for this one-pot mushroom stroganoff. Firstly, we have
chestnut mushrooms. You can use any type of mushrooms you like. Here we've got chestnut, but you don't have to use that.
No, any mushrooms, but can I say something?
What?
These look epic. Look at that.
I know, that's massive. Hockey, hockey.
Then we have some fresh parsley. Check this out.
I love the vibrant green of the parsley. It's also going to add a load of freshness to the dish.
Exactly.
We've also got one onion. We're going to chop this up finely. A bit of soy cream to add that richness and that creaminess to the dish.
Yep.
Bit of lemon just to cut through with a bit of acidity. And
then we have some garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic, put it in everything. Put it in your apple crumbles.
Put it in your porridge.
Put it in your porridge, exactly.
So good for you.
Who cares? Eat it raw.
You know the score.
Oh!
Way. Boom. Boom, thanks.
Then we have some vegetable stock. We have some chili powder. Give it a nice warming kick. And then crucial for stroganoffs, we have some paprika. You could use smoked paprika, although it would be a little bit too overpowering in my opinion. And then some Dijon mustard. Some Dijon. I don't even know what this pasta's called. I think it's called like tortolli or something.
Or toletti.
But
It's called toilet.
It's called toilet.
But you don't have to use this pasta. You can use any pasta you've got, or any pasta you like.
You can do with spaghetti, tagliatelle.
These are a little bit fancy. Should we make it? I'm so hungry. It's Friday afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. We haven't had lunch yet.
Exactly.
I've got to eat this.
I can't keep looking at all these ingredients without cooking it.
So we're going to start off by putting a drizzle of olive oil in the pot and just leaving that to heat up. Dice our onion. Going to put all the onion in the pot and fry it for 5 minutes until it's nice and soft.
So while that onion is frying, we're going to get these beautiful chestnut mushrooms, and we're going to use our fingers just to pick off any of the dirt that might be on them, get rid of that, and then we're going to chop these up and throw them into the pot. Roxy's disappeared. I don't know where she is.
Behind the camera.
She's leaving it to me.
I'm doing the camera.
Right. Look at this mushroom. Oh my God. Mushroom is in, and we're gonna fry this for about 10 minutes. Oh, this smells incredible already.
I love mushroom.
2 ingredients. No. Exciting. So next we need to dice this garlic, chop this up relatively thinly. Don't worry about it being too perfect. 10 minutes are up on the mushrooms. They're looking good, so we're gonna throw in this garlic. Oh, I love garlic.
So along with the garlic, we're gonna add in our chili powder for that kick. Oh yeah. You can dial this down, just put in less chili if you don't like it hot. But if you like it hot, get the chili in. And then the key ingredient, paprika. This is really gonna bring out loads of flavor, gonna make it nice and smoky, delicious. We're now gonna cook the garlic, chili, and paprika with the mushroom and onion for another couple of minutes and let all those flavors stew together. Oh my God, it's smelling amazing. Next, we are going in with the Dijon mustard. In we go. Oh, yes, this is gonna be amazing. With our soy sauce, this is a cheeky little twist, just to bring out that saltiness and that umami flavor, that fifth flavor, which is quite often missing in vegan food. And also we've got our vegetable stock going right in there. Along with 200 mils of water straight from the tap. And last, but by no means least, here is our pasta going straight in there. So this is quite watery, but it's gonna reduce so much, and we need a lot of water so the pasta cooks thoroughly. Delicious! So we're just gonna bring this up to the boil and then leave it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom.
Yep.
More garlic.
Oh my God, I can't wait. You can smell the spice as well, that paprika and chili.
Yeah, it's a mixture of spice, it's a mix of that umami flavour as well.
Also the
mushroom.
Mustard giving that kick, that sharpness.
And then we're gonna get the lemon in there later. Bit of sharpness.
If mustard was like a hand move, it'd be this.
Straight in there. What soy sauce? I think soy sauce
Soy sauce would be like.
What about lemon?
Lemon is.
Lemon's.
Lemon is.
No.
No, you think of biting down a lemon.
Just giving it a quick stir, making sure the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom. It's coming along really nicely. The pasta's starting to get soft. And the liquid's starting to evaporate. It's nearly there. I reckon another 5 minutes. Right, so I'm gonna chop up a large handful. I love parsley. I'm gonna put as much as possible. I'm gonna roughly chop the leaves of the parsley. So the pasta's ready now, it's al dente. We're gonna just throw in the parsley.
Next we're gonna add some single soya cream. Oh, make it lovely and creamy. And some lemon juice for a bit of acidity.
A bit.
Lovely. Give that a final stir. Oh my God, this is looking so good.
Oh my God, it smells amazing. Oh, that green just really pops in there, I love it.
Can I eat this all to myself?
No, please, no. Have a little taste, see if it needs any salt or pepper.
Cool, that's tasting really good, but I think this needs a touch of salt. Not a lot, because you've already got that soy sauce in there. And then just a light amount of pepper. Just add it in at the end, boost that flavor. Oh, you can smell it already. Oh my God. Here it goes, we're gonna serve it up. First off though, we're gonna top it with a handful of parsley. There we go. Beautiful. And then a bit of freshly ground black pepper to finish. Delicious. The stroganoff is done and it is looking and smelling.
It smells so good. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. This is a really, really late lunch.
Yeah, this is my kind of food as well. Quick, easy, nutritious, healthy, simple, warming. I could go on.
Full of flavour.
I'll go on.
Banging with flavour. All sorts of different flavours. So,
right, stop.
Is it time?
I'm worried this is going to get cold.
Talking too much.
We are talking quite a lot.
Let's get these are our new little bowls. They're super cute. I love them.
Love it.
Love it. I've got it here. I'm prepped.
Oh my God.
Right, we're going to go spooning in.
Let's do this.
Oh, divine. It just like hits all the flavours, isn't it?
Oh my God. So good. Oh, I love the kick as well. It's so warming.
It's got the kick, it's got the spice.
Comforting.
It's got the umami.
Freshness from the parsley. It's got everything. This brings me to my happy place.
The lemon really works in there as well. Being hugged so much right now.
It's like a big, warming hug and embrace, like a really soft
You know what?
warming hug.
No, it's a duvet.
Oh my God, it's a
It's
duvet.
like a duvet's wrapping around you right now.
Yes. It's like being a little kid and then someone comes in to tuck you in at night and they're just like, sleep tight. And you're just like, mushroom stroganoff.
No, yeah. I'm gonna sleep so good.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you try this at home. This is absolutely delicious, honestly. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got tons more recipes coming up in the future. It's really simple for cooking, vegan, fun, sometimes indulgent, who knows? Hit that subscribe button and you'll find out. Thanks guys.
Thanks, guys.